Welcome to Wall Street Confidential. The focus today is Freeport-McMoRan Copper and Gold. Now, Jim, you own this for Action Alerts Plus portfolio. You guys are really focusing on good defensive plays. How does their suspension of dividend affect your position?
Well, I think that the people who run the company are very conservative, and they paid down a lot of debt when they did the Phelps Dodge deal, and they're not going to be in a situation where they're borrowing a lot of money and paying the dividend. I like management that's conservative. We had held back for buying this thing for a long time. The stock's gone from 140 to 18. Helene Meisler, who spoke at our excellent conference, had said this was the most asked about stock, which was worrisome. A lot of people owned the stock. I think they'll all bail now, and that's one of the reasons why we bought some yesterday. I feel like that we're in a commodity depression. You see that every day. But if you have no commodity stocks and you have no exposure, then I think that you're going to end up missing something, given the fact that if we ever see China come back, and it's not clear we're going to because the Baltic Freight Index was down again last night, but if we ever see China come back, Freeport doubles. If we don't, then because they've conserved cash, I don't think it goes below 10, 12, where I would buy more. Helene is describing it, and she does great technical work, as this era's JDSU, which of course was one of the biggest disasters ever. And the difference of that is JDSU had no core worth. There is core worth to Freeport, but JDSU was a focus name of that era, and Freeport is a focus name, meaning there's a lot of retail in the stock that shouldn't be. So my bottom line on this, Alex, is that I feel very strongly that there was a time to sell, and we trimmed a lot. And now we're back to a time to buy where everyone's just coughing it up.
So you didn't necessarily change your trade on the stock?
No. I mean, remember, we have virtually no exposure to American industry other than Eaton. And, and we have no commodity other than a couple very small positions in oil, of which they're really, yield plays. And we're very, very defensive. I mean, it's Procter, and it's, we've got Unilever, J&J, and it's time to step up to the plate if you think there's ever going to be a turn in the economy in 2009. So we felt it was finally time to buy some FCX.
Great. Thanks so much, Jim.
Thank you.
And for more about Action Alerts Plus portfolio, sign up and email us at action@thestreet.com.